How to delete messages on Viber without letting others know, or without letting the correspondent user know about it. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can delete messages in Viber secretly without sending the notifications. Well, if you head over to Viber and head over to a particular chat, right? You send a text, for instance, and now you want to delete it. So let me send two texts here. Now if you tap on and hold on the text, tap on delete, then it'll give you two different options: delete for everyone and delete for myself. Now if you tap on delete for everyone, it'll show up that you deleted the message on the particular correspondent chat as well. Now if you tap on it, and you can go ahead and delete it, but it'll only be deleted for yourself. So if you remove it, it'll be deleted from your side. If anyone sees your chat from your device or your account, then they won't be able to see the text, but from the correspondent chat from the user, they'll be able to see that you deleted the message. Similarly, if you tap on the text and if you tap on delete, and if you only wish to delete for yourself, if you tap on delete, it'll be deleted and the user won't get to know that you have deleted it from your side, but they'll be able to view the text. So there is no any such option to delete the text without letting the other users know. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.